Young Ali walked home from school when he saw an old woman, frail and hungry, sitting by the dusty roadside. A wave of sadness washed over Ali as he watched her tired eyes and trembling hands. He remembered the warm roti and lentils his mother had packed for his lunch, untouched in his bag. Without hesitation, Ali gently approached the old woman and extended his simple meal towards her. The old woman's eyes filled with tears of gratitude as she carefully took the warm food from his hands. Unbeknownst to Ali, a wealthy merchant observed this touching scene from his carriage passing by. The merchant was deeply moved by the boy's pure heart and selfless act of kindness. The very next day, the merchant announced a new community fund to help the poor and needy in the village. Inspired by Ali and the merchant, many villagers eagerly joined, donating food, clothes, and their time. Soon, the old woman and many others found comfort and dignity, their lives transformed by collective kindness. A single act of kindness, no matter how small, can inspire many and create a wave of positive change in the world.
एक गरीब लड़का अली स्कूल से घर जा रहा था, इसका पेट भूख से गिड़गिड़ा रहा था। अचानक इसने एक दरख्त के करीब जमीन पर एक छोटा चमकता हुआ थैला देखा। अंदर इसे एक बड़ी रकम मिली, इतनी कि वो महीनों तक अपने खानदान को खाना खुला सकता था। इसका दिल मुतजाद ख्यालात के साथ धड़क रहा था, इसे रख ले और अपने खानदान के मसाइल हल करे, वापस कर दे। इसे अपनी माँ की ईमानदारी और हमेशा सही काम करने के बारे में नसीहत याद आई, चाहे वो कितना ही मुश्किल क्यों ना हो। एक गहरा सांस लेते हुए अली ने अपनी हिम्मत जमा की और फैसला किया कि इसे सही मालिक को तलाश करना चाहिए। वो मकामी मस्जिद गया और बहादुरी से इमाम साहिब को इस रकम के बारे में बताया जो इसे मिली थी। जल्द ही एक बुजुर्ग खातून परेशान और ढूंढती हुई मस्जिद आई और रोते हुए अपने गुमशुदा थैले की तफसील बताई। अली ने बहादुरी से थैला वापस कर दिया। खातून बहुत खुश होकर इसे गिले लगाया और ढेरों दुआएं दें। अली ने अपने दिल में एक ऐसी गर्मजोशी महसूस की जो किसी भी रकम से कहीं ज्यादा थी, ये जानकर के इसने सही काम किया है। हकीकी बहादुरी ताकत के बारे में नहीं, बल्कि सही काम करने का इंतखाब करने के बारे में है, चाहे वो कितना ही मुश्किल क्यों ना हो और कोई देख ना रहा हो।
In a bustling town lived a kind-hearted merchant named Omar. He was known for his wealth and his compassionate nature. One cold evening, Omar saw a shivering woman and her two small children begging near the city gate. Their clothes were torn, and hunger was etched on their faces. His heart ached at their plight. He realized they were struggling for even a single meal. A deep sense of sadness washed over him. Omar decided then and there that he must help this family, not just with a small coin, but in a way that would truly change their lives. He returned home and gathered warm clothes, food supplies, and a small bag of gold coins. He carefully packed everything into a large basket. Later that night, under the cover of darkness, Omar quietly placed the basket at the family's doorstep and left without being seen. The next morning, the mother discovered the unexpected gift. Tears of joy streamed down her face as her children excitedly opened the basket. Omar watched from a distance, hidden, as the family rejoiced. Their smiles were brighter than any treasure. A profound sense of peace and happiness filled Omar's heart, far greater than any profit his business had ever brought him. He understood the true meaning of wealth. The family's life slowly transformed. They found shelter and never went to bed hungry again, all thanks to one act of silent kindness. True wealth lies not in what we own, but in what we share and how we help those in need.